How can you distinguish between different bird species based on their behavior? If you're out in the woods or by a lake and you spot a bird you've never seen before, you might wonder how to tell what kind of bird it is. One of the best ways to identify birds is by observing their behavior. Let's start with the basics. When you see a bird, ask yourself what you can see, what you can hear, and what the situation is around you. This includes the date, location, and habitat. These details form what we call the identification web, and each piece of information helps you narrow down the possibilities. Now, let's talk about behavior. Birds behave in unique ways that can be very telling. For example, if you see a bird that's jumping on a branch while singing, it might be a blue-black grassquit. This behavior is quite distinctive and can help you identify the bird right away. Different species have different feeding habits. A heron, for instance, will often stand still or walk slowly, looking for prey. A duck, on the other hand, might dive underwater or just stick its head in the water. These behaviors are key to identifying these birds. Birds also have unique postures and movements. Broad-tailed hummingbirds tend to perch in a less upright position compared to rufous hummingbirds. Phoebes will often dip or flare their tails more noticeably than smaller flycatchers. These postures can be crucial clues when trying to identify a bird. Another important aspect is how birds interact with their environment. Nuthatches climb up and down trees, while brown creepers only climb up. Warblers are known for their high-energy, erratic movements, constantly flitting between branches. In contrast, vireos are more methodical in their feeding behavior. The way birds move can also be a giveaway. Some birds, like the Wilson's phalarope, race around wildly after flying insects, which is a behavior you won't see in many other shorebirds. Owls, when roosting, might appear compact but can stretch into an elongated posture when disturbed. When observing behavior, it's also important to note whether the bird is alone or in a group. For example, if it looks like a dove, is it alone or with another bird? If it's a heron, is it still or actively hunting? These social behaviors can help you identify the species more accurately. In summary, identifying birds by their behavior involves paying attention to their unique actions, postures, and interactions with their environment. By observing these behaviors and combining them with other details like shape, size, and habitat, you can confidently identify different bird species. So, next time you're out birdwatching, take a moment to really watch what the birds are doing. It might just give you the clue you need to identify them.